In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit text in Ilovepdf. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the home page, you will see a variety of PDF tools available, including Merge PDF, Split PDF, Compressed PDF, and many others. Now, to edit that text inside a PDF, you need to click the Edit PDF in this section, or you can simply go to the All PDFs, go to the Edit PDF, and click the Edit PDF. So you have two options here. And then what will happen is, you need to select the PDF that you want to edit the text. You can simply browse your computer and choose the PDF document you want to edit. Or you can simply drag and drop the files, and then what will happen is, once the file is ready, all I have to do now is access the Select toolbox. The Edit Text feature is only available on the premium plan. If you want to edit all the text within this PDF, you need to subscribe to the paid plan. If you don't want it, it's okay, because what you can do instead is use the Add Your Text. For example, let's say we're going to add something like here, and maybe you can drag it here into your canvas. If you're happy with it, all I have to do now is click the Save Changes. All right. While you cannot use the edit text here, since it is requiring you to subscribe to the premium plan, what you can do is add your text instead and download the PDF once it's ready. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to edit text in Ilovepdf. As you can see, it's a very quick and convenient way to make changes to PDF documents directly from your browser without installing any software. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.